here at Driftland for the SDC Final with Big Dave holding things, and we're here at the toilets. You're living a good life there, eh?
They're a bit shit. They're a bit shit.
Oh. Don't fucking crash!
I'll try!
Nice. Wait, was this a takeaway you've got there or something?
It's my salapets are on now.
Oh, he's ready for the cold.
Oh, nah, I'll ruin myself. Thank you though, I appreciate the
Well, you
offer.
could at least like take it up and then bribe someone with it.
I don't like any of them.
There's no one you like enough up there to take them a donut.
In front of them then.
It's like,
This donut's beautiful. I wish there was enough for everybody.
Who wants this donut? Oh, I dropped off the side of the
Dropped
container.
it, watch it, to the seagulls. So I'm just doing my YouTube thing, walking around, videoing some cars and stuff. Dave is not helping. He's on like his 4th donut already. He's trying to give away as many as possible while we take a walk around. This is SDC legend Stephen Black's. What is this?
S14 Sylvia.
S14 Sylvia, and you can tell it's an S14 because
It's that headlights. 2-piece headlights.
2-piece headlights. That's how you tell it's an S14.
14A. Oh Jesus, where? There's fucking letters as well?
There's letters and numbers. How the fuck are we ever going to learn about drift cars? It's a good thing we can't afford any of them because we wouldn't know what we would be buying. I thought I was going to die there, David. Look at the fucking size of that. That's awesome. You see the wheels on the back? That's cool. That's cool as well. Am I right in thinking that that would not pass an MOT? Doesn't have a fuel flap cover?
No, it would because it's still got a cap.
It's got a cap. We're good.
It has a cap.
We're sorted out. It has a cap. That's fine. Sticker check. Boss. I like that they've got, they're all running these light bars tonight as well. I know that's a simple thing, but I've not seen people drifting in the dark yet. I think that's going to be cool to see. Oh no, what the fuck? Is Fizzy broken something again? He's not even here. You're having one of those days.
Understeer of death.
I love it. I love your accessory. That's tremendous.
Fuck it, I'm taking the clip home with me.
Well, basically, you've won that. That is your prize. Basically, if you can carry it out without a marshal noticing, it's basically yours.
Oh, they noticed.
Oh, they did. Right. £5 a code. That's a bargain. Is it back on again? Still going. That's. Yep, radiator upgrade. You definitely need that. Like that. Sorry, trying to stay out of the way. It's such a wicked idea though. Like it's got like it's got the clocks in.
Have we just taken the whole thing? Just take ECU and everything then?
It's easier. It's just. It is mechanically bolted in. Rudy, you're not harassing the competitors, are you?
I am not. I'm not even recording.
Okay. Talk about it, it'll make you feel better.
There's nothing to say.
There's nothing to say. There's no time.
No, there's none.
Go! You've seen it on Instagram. You've seen it on Facebook, and here it is, live at Driftland. Stuart's self-stirring cup. Yes. Yes.
What wizardry? What devilry is
What
this?
it's that?
You don't need a spoon. You've got sugar. You don't. A little bit of Colombia's finest.
Madness. Does that mug have a clutch that you could use? That's it, right. See you
like
later.
that.
See you later. Right, bye. That's cool as fuck. Oh, it's the V6 one too. Or at least it's got a badge that says it's a V6.
He's on the top. No one's on it. It's definitely Stu because he's now smoking.
Well, there's a crowd has gathered. And they've been told to leave.
So you can tell it's Stephen Black because not all of his lights are working.